Today we're going to talk about how to accelerate your work using CustomerIQ. CustomerIQ helps teams organize, search, and synthesize all their feedback and qualitative data so that they can get the insights they need fast. Today we're going to introduce you to the powerhouse of our workspace, Views. We'll explore a few different use cases, show you examples of those use cases in action, and discuss next steps. Let's dive in. So what is a view? Views let us filter, group, and tag data we've aggregated in our workspace using AI. What's unique about views compared to other AI solutions is that they're flexible, packed with automation, and infinitely scalable. Views are totally flexible, so that all of your teams from product to marketing to sales can operate on the same data and get all the answers they need. Every view is powered by AI to dramatically reduce the time it takes for you to uncover themes, categorize whatever you'd like, and get answers you need instantly. And finally, views are infinitely scalable. Whether you're searching across hundreds or thousands of records, views scale with you so you always have your answers. Today we're going to talk about 3 use cases. First, we're going to use a view and its Discover feature to uncover opportunities from customer calls and feedback. Then we'll use the Classify feature to tag unstructured data like support tickets and requests with custom categories that we defined. And then the last example is we'll use our AI search to get answers from any folder, document, or upload across our entire workspace. Let's take a look at our first use case, discovering product opportunities from customer calls and other feedback. Let's imagine we're a product manager for a company called Fusion Feedback, and we're trying to better understand our customers' current pains and preferences. Let's walk through how we discover these opportunities from previous customer calls our team recorded. In the old times, we might comb through transcripts, pull out interesting notes, then sort those notes into themes and summarize and share with our team. If you've done this before, you know it takes hours or even days. With CustomerIQ, our AI does that automatically in just minutes. So first, I'm going to filter this view by the folder containing our customer success calls and other general product feedback. As calls and feedback were added to these folders, the AI automatically broke those calls into notes that we call insights. Now that we filtered by those folders, we can see the AI automatically extracted 163 different insights and went ahead and tagged them with sentiment. So this is already insightful. But we want to discover themes. Instead of manually tagging this data, we'll have the AI do it for us. We'll just click Discover and watch the AI go to work. After just a few minutes, you'll find the AI has sorted insights by common clusters and tagged those clusters with each of their themes. Let's get a summary of our themes. Notice how the summary is tailored to me as a product manager and prompts me with a few ideas based on what we've learned. This is true of all workspace members, where the AI will take into account your role and how the information in view might be helpful to it. So there we go. We have our pains and preferences. We're just going to share what we've learned to a doc and discuss with our team. Now let's imagine we're an operations manager for an IT company. We want to make sure that all our customer tickets are being routed to the right people. Instead of discovering themes like we just did, we want to organize the tickets by our custom defined categories. For this, we'll use the Views Classify feature. And of course, instead of manually tagging tickets by their category, we'll have the AI do it for us. So first I need to tag 1 or more tickets by each of my categories. Today we're going to categorize by incident report, security, hardware, network, and account. You can see I've already gone through and added a number of tags to train the view, but I'll show you a cool trick. Instead of scouring these tickets, I actually just searched the tag here in our AI search to speed up my process. Here I'll search for account and see that the first insight in the uncategorized group is related to account. So I'll add a tag to it with the account tag, and I'm all set. So now that I've established the tags and I've given a few examples I want the AI to classify by, I just click Classify to automate the rest. CustomerIQ's AI will now automatically tag each uncategorized insight according to the examples we've provided. That's amazing, but we're not done. I want to make sure that our support agents are addressing each of these tickets. So I'll create a sub-view and filter by the view tags that were just assigned. Now the agent can mark each ticket as they're reviewed, or even analyze further by discovering themes to optimize their efforts. Okay, let's look at one last use case. Let's imagine we're a product specialist for an e-commerce company. In a meeting, one of our sales executives makes a comment that our leading product, a water bottle, dents too easily. In the old times, we'd have to debate this topic, but now we have data. So let's create a view, and we'll just filter by our product feedback folder and search, do people say our bottle dents easily? After a few seconds, we have our answer along with supporting insights explaining how we arrived at that answer. Amazing. But that's not all. Let's consider a completely different scenario. Let's say you're on a call with a wholesale buyer and they ask a specific question like, what's the lead time on a pallet of purple screw top bottles? You can't remember and you don't want to give the wrong answer. You could tell them you'll follow up with the answer, or you could just ask CustomerIQ. Thankfully, your product team uploaded all your product documentation to the product documentation folder, so all you have to do is search. What's our lead time on a pallet of purple bottles? And look at that, a perfect answer. You can run the same search with any internal documents. Think about product specs, operating procedures, benefits packages, employee manuals, and more. Anything that's been uploaded to your workspace can now be searched instantly. All right, that's a wrap for today's demo. We've just walked through 3 exciting ways to accelerate your work with CustomerIQ. Between discovery, classify, and search, there are hundreds more. We're excited to see what your team accomplishes. So to get started, just head over to getcustomeriq.com and sign up. We'll talk soon.